Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine and are well prepared for your board examinations, upcoming board examinations. There are few papers left. I know you will soon get your date sheet for the upcoming exams. But before that, let's begin with our class 11 because we cannot waste our time and precious time just waiting for the examination. Today I'm going to start your bio class. I know very few are there with me in this biology class, but let's begin. Today I'm just simply going to tell you what all are there in your syllabus this year, what is the pattern of your examination, and how we will go further, right? So till class 10th you were studying chapter wise. Now you are going to study unit wise. We have 5 units this year to study. You can use any book you wish. I'm going to give you the important points of each unit, each chapter. Each unit consists of at least 4 to 5 chapters. And as I proceed with the chapter, I'm going to give you the important points. You can refer to those points and you can use any book you prefer. So let me tell you, you have 5 units as I told you previously. First unit is nothing but it is the diversity chapter. Diversity in living world, that is the name of the chapter unit, and you have 4 chapters in it. One is living world, second is biological classification, plant kingdom and animal kingdom. In diversity, you have studied in class 9th a single chapter where you have studied about the nomenclature part, you have studied about various, classification, about various kingdom, just in brief. But now we are going to study in detail about the entire thing, entire living world. How have we classified the entire living world? What are the bases of classification? Biological classification, first it was, it was not binomial like we are studying it right now as binomial nomenclature, but it was, there were very many other ways of classification which we will study in detail. Apart from this, we are going to study plant kingdom and animal kingdom in detail. Then we have the unit 2, which is structural organization in plants and animal. Unit 2 is your structural organization in plants and animals, right? In this we have 3 chapters. We are going to study in detail about plants, morphology as well as anatomy. What is morphology? The outer part as well as the inner part. Basically, we are going to study about monocot and dicot plants, their outer structure, the ways of classification, the ways of identification and their internal structures, that is the anatomy. And we are going to study in detail about the structural organization in animals with reference to cockroach. Cockroach, we will study about its tissue, its cellular level, its tissue level, everything as and when we go with the chapter. Then the third unit, which is a very important unit, which in this unit you have studied few parts, but few parts are untouched by you and it's completely new, right? This is your unit 3 is cell structure and function. Cell structure and function. In this we have 3 chapters. One is cell, the unit of life, which you have studied about the cell organelles and all in class 9, which you will study in detail. Then we have a very important chapter, that is biomolecules, which is enzymes. We are going to study about enzymes, their substrate complex, what are the different kinds of enzymes, how to name them, what are their uses, everything in this biomolecule chapter. And the final chapter is your cell division and cell cycle. This, a part of it you have studied in class 10th as your first chapter, but here we are going to study in detail about the entire cell cycle along with meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 in detail, which we have not studied in class 10, but we will do it over here. Then we have your unit 4. Unit 4 is your plant physiology. You know what is physiology? The plant physiology is the mechanism, how is the plant working. Under this, there are 5 chapters which consist of transportation in plants, mineral nutrition, photosynthesis in higher plants, respiration, plant growth and development. In plant growth and development, we are going to study about the plant hormones. Another chapter which you have studied in class 10th in very minute quantity and very less, we did not go for the details, but here we are going to study each and everything in detail, each and every mechanism of the plants in detail. Then the 5th unit is your human physiology. 5th unit is your human physiology. This consists of your 7 chapters, that is digestion and absorption, breathing and exchange, body fluids and circulation, excretory product and their elimination, locomotion and movement, neural control and coordination, chemical coordination and integration. Here also you have studied about all these in class from class 6 onwards, but the difference over here is you are going to study each and everything in detail. Now, if we go to the exam pattern, though you have not yet appeared for your bio class 10th examination, but you know that the examination pattern is 40-40 in class 10th, 40 marks objective, 40 marks subjective. Here in class 11 biology, you have entirely different pattern. You will have 70 marks plus 30 marks. 70 marks will consist of your theory paper and 30 marks will be your practical paper. We will do few practicals when the school reopens. Hope to see you soon. So then during that time we are going to do 30 marks practical. In 70 marks theory, again the paper is divided into 2 parts, part 1 and part 2, and these 2 parts are further divided into section A, B, C, D. Each section is like, A section is having 1 marks question, then section B 2 marks, section C 3 marks, and section 4 5 marks questions each. You need not to label any diagram here, but you need to draw the diagram. So you have to thoroughly practice drawing, because almost all the questions you are going to get to draw and explain the things, right? So we are going to start with our classes. I told you the basic pattern over here. Now I'm going to start with the classes in the next meeting which we will have. I will start whichever will be very easy chapter for you. Will not go sequentially, though you are going to get examination unit wise, unit 1, 2, 3, 4, but still there are few things like we take few chapters in the first half, then the next in the second half, which is easier for you all. So I will get back to you. Go through the video. You have any doubts, you are free to ask, put on your queries. Have a nice day.